Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss about exercise 4.1 question number 1. Construct the following quadrilateral, that is rhombus BEST. B is 4.5 cm and it is 6 cm. Let us draw a rough sketch of this rhombus BEST. Rhombus means all the sides are equal. Suppose this is a rhombus. All the sides are equal. This is a rough diagram of this rhombus, and the name of this rhombus is BEST. B E S and T, and B is given as 4.5 cm. This is 4.5 centimeter, and ET is given as 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Right? We know that in a rhombus all the sides are equal. Therefore, take ET as 6 centimeter with the help of a ruler. With the help of a ruler, take ET. First of all, take us a ruler. And with the help of the ruler, we'll get a number line that is 6 centimeter. Let us take 6 centimeter. You see, this is exactly 5.8, 6 centimeter, right? This is exactly 6 centimeter, and the name is ET. The name is ET. Here the name is E, and this is T. Now, since all the sides of a rhombus are equal, therefore with E as center, take an arc of 4.5 centimeter, and with T as center, take an arc of 4.5 centimeter again, because all the sides of parallelogram are equal, right? Therefore, take a compass first. Let us take a compass. Here it is the compass, and with the measurement, take the pointer as the 0 point, right? And take a measurement of 4.5 centimeter. Let us take measurement of 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5. Here see, this is 4.5 centimeter. Now with E as center, draw an arc here. With E as center, draw an arc here. Here with E as center, draw an arc here. Right? Again, take this pointer at T point and draw another arc here. Right? Again, you get the value, you get this point. Now, join this point with the help of the ruler. Join this point with the help of the ruler. Join this point with E. Let us join this point with E. Let us join this point. Let us join this point. Right? Now with this point, let us join again this point with T. Join this point with T. Join this point with T. Now join this point with T. Right? Here you see, both the sides are equal. Join this point with T. Let us again join this point right? And we got the value this as B. We got the pointer here as B, and it is given that B is equal to 4.5 centimeter. It is 4.5 centimeter, and obviously BT is also 4.5 centimeter because in a rhombus all the sides are equal in length, 4.5 centimeter. Now again, with this length 4.5 centimeter, let us draw another arc. Let us draw another arc with this pointer. Let us draw another arc here, because in a rhombus all the sides are equal. From this pointer we are taking another arc here, right? And taking this pointer here, we are taking another arc here with length 4.5 centimeter. Let us draw this one again, right? That means we are getting another point, this one. With the help of the ruler, join this one, this point with this point. Right? And here also we'll join this point once again. We'll join this point again with this one. And join this line also. Right? And we get the point here, that is B. This is S point, this is point S T, and ES, since this is a rhombus all the sides are equal, it is also 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, and ST it is also 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, and ET we are getting as 6 centimeter, TE or ET is 6 centimeter. Here you see this is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now we are again repeating once again how we get. Here you see, if we take this compass here, now you see that first of all we have taken a line ET as 6 centimeter. With ES center we cut 4.5 centimeter, and with TS center we cut 4.5 centimeter, because in a rhombus all the sides are same. So we are getting B and BT as 4.5, it is also 4.5 centimeter. And again with E as center we make an arc of 4.5 centimeter here, and with TS center we make another arc 4.5 centimeter here, and we get this line ST as 4.5 centimeter, ES as 4.5 centimeter, and you see this is the rhombus with all the sides equal. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.